Hi, everyone. Welcome to IELTS Listenora, your space to improve English listening and speaking skills. Here, we bring you easy English conversations and stories to help you practice speaking, learn new words, and gain confidence. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started and enjoy learning English together. Hi, Rahim. How are you today?
Hi, Aisha. I am fine, thank you. How about you?
I am good too. I have an idea. Maybe we can go on a day trip this weekend.
A day trip. That sounds fun. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking about a small city near here. It is called Roseville. It is a very beautiful city. There are old buildings, a museum, and a big park.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I like museums and parks. How will we go there?
We can go by car. It will take about 2 hours to reach there. We can leave early in the morning.
Yes, if we leave at 7 a.m., we can see many things and have a full day to enjoy.
Exactly. We can also take some snacks and drinks. We can eat them in the park and have a small picnic.
I like that idea. We can also take some photos. I want to remember this trip.
Yes, we can also walk in the streets and see the old buildings. Some buildings are very beautiful. I want to see them all.
Me too. And we can visit the museum. I like history. I want to learn new things.
That's a good idea. I will check the museum opening time and the weather. If it is sunny, our trip will be perfect.
Yes, the weather is very important. I hope it will be nice.
We can also invite some friends if they want to join. It will be more fun with friends.
Yes, more friends means more fun. Who do you want to invite?
Maybe Sarah and Tom. They like trips too. I will send them a message tonight.
Perfect. I am very excited. I can't wait for Saturday.
Me too. We can make a small plan tonight. We can decide what to do first and what to do later.
Yes, first we can go to the museum, then have a lunch in the park. After that, we can walk in the streets and take photos.
Good plan. We can also buy some snacks from the small shops in the city. I love small shops.
Me too. I like to see local shops and small markets. We can try some local food too.
Yes, I want to try a small bakery there. They make very good cakes and bread.
That sounds delicious. I'm hungry already thinking about it.
We will eat after walking and exploring. It will be more fun.
Yes, I agree. This day will be very nice. I'm happy we're doing this trip.
Me too, Rahim. It will be a fun day. We can also take some rest in the park, sit and enjoy the nature.
Yes, I like to sit and watch the trees and the river. It is very relaxing.
Exactly. I think this trip will be very special. We can remember it for a long time.
I agree. Thank you, Aisha, for planning everything. I'm really excited.
You're welcome, Rahim. I'm happy you're excited. Let's get ready and have a great day.